Hi, this is Joe A. Tour from Frankfurt on Foot, and today we are at the Goethe Turm in Frankfurt, Sachsenhausen. So this looks like a fire tower, but it's really just a tower you can climb and look out all over the city. This burned down a couple years ago, and they just rebuilt this and finished it in this past fall, and you can climb up it again. Unfortunately, there's a pandemic on, and they closed it down last week. So here we are out here in the forest, close to where the Goethe Turm is, just to add on a little bit of extra beauty city forest. Lots and lots of paths to walk down. The trees are all getting their little leaves. There's all kinds of birds and squirrels out here. I'm just filming from this side over here just because this is a really fun tower to climb. So we are out in the city forest. This is 11,000 acres in between the airport and Frankfurt. Normally this is a nice place to sit outside, a beer garden. Well, this is Sachsenhausen, you have apple wine here, not beer. And a really great playground. And there's all kinds of trails here because the city forest is 11,000 acres. So you're not lacking for any kind of place to walk around and get you some fresh air. Thanks a lot. Subscribe and consider becoming one of our Patreons.